In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get Truecaller Premium for free. So if you use Truecaller and then you want the premium offer, I think this video is for you. You can just do what I'm going to show you guys in this video, and then you can get the premium offer for free without paying anything. So now let's get going with the main part of the video. All you need to do is just move to our settings. So tap on the three dots there, and then you move to your setting. So on this page, all you need to do is you move to your profile. So now let's move to our profile here. So on our profile, all we need to do is we scroll down here. Let's scroll down. So all we need to do here is we need to invite friends for them to download Truecaller and start using it. So we just tap on the invite here, and you can see, so when you invite your friends, you're going to get a free upgrade on the premium. So all you need to do is just invite them via the SMS link or on WhatsApp. So here, let me choose, you can choose any of them. You can even choose more for other options. You can see you can choose more for other options here. So I chose messaging, so I think my messaging is going to load. Good. So here you can just choose anybody you want to send to this, and then you send it to them, and you can see my referral link is here, so they are going to track it. So if someone signs up or download the Truecaller and then signs up through my link, they are going to give me the premium version. So that's it on how you can get premium version of Truecaller if you want the premium version but then you don't want to pay. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.